Hi, welcome to the MindFire One Product Portal demo. Today we're going to walk through the new features of the One Product Portal. Here we'll show you where you can log into a single browser session and have access to the entire MindFire platform and all of its programs. Start by navigating to client.mdl.io from any browser. Log in with your existing MindFire credentials. As always, you'll be presented with the ability to select from the sub-account within your account that you want to work with. You'll be taken to the new Business Intelligence dashboard, which has a number of new features where you can customize your view, more interactive menu items to work with, and the ability to customize the view based on your requirements. This is also the gateway to the Business Intelligence Dashboard Designer. We'll do a featured video on the Business Intelligence Dashboard and the Dashboard Designer in the near future. Moving along to the new menu, you can see that quite a bit has changed. In the new menu, we've integrated the tools from both Workflow Designer, formerly Studio, and Blueprint Editor, formerly DaVinci, into one single interface. Based on your subscription level, you'll be able to access all of the MindFire programs and tools in one single place. The next menu item is where we've combined all of our campaigns into one single menu selection. From here, you'll be presented with the last 5 campaigns that you've worked on, and you'll have the ability to search for campaigns that you have built and run in the past, as well as create new campaigns from a single place. Creating a new campaign opens up the Blueprint Editor window and gives you the direct access into the Workflow Designer, depending on your subscription level. Here you can work with the campaign blueprints that you're familiar with if you're a DaVinci user, or access the Workflow Designer directly from here. The next menu item is your asset library. This is brand new to Workflow Designer users and something that was requested often. DaVinci users will be familiar with this, as your asset library is where you create and store content, forms, emails, landing pages, and call to action overlays. This incorporates our drag and drop email and landing page editors, which makes it extremely easy to create emails and landing pages using the editing tools that we've provided for you. We'll share more information about your asset library in a future video. Our next menu item is called CRM, and this is where all your contact information will be stored. Workflow Designer users will be pleased to see that we have now incorporated the MindFire Smart List feature as well as My Smart Lists from DaVinci, which makes it extremely easy to work with segmentation data and gain more powerful use of the data that you have within your contacts. Another new feature for Workflow Designer users is the My Market section. This section came from DaVinci and is extremely powerful, incorporating some unique tools that enable you to find content to reuse in your campaigns, search for relevant hashtags to support the content that you're using, use LinkedIn to find and attract the right companies and the right people for your target audiences. We'll share more about the My Markets tab in a future video. A new tab for all users is the Downloads tab. From the Downloads tab, you can easily access reports that you've scheduled and download them or delete them, as well as other items that you've scheduled for download. Here in the Settings menu, you'll find your company settings, user, email settings, web tracking, integrations, e-commerce, and plans and billing information. And our last menu item is where you log out. Simply click on this and you'll be taken back to the login screen. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. Again, there'll be in-depth future videos diving into some of the new features of the MindFire platform. Thank you and have a great day.